Listen carefully to this short motivational story. Guess what I say, and when the sentence appears, repeat after me. Let's begin. Guess what I say? Once, there was a young boy who wanted to learn English. Once, there was a young boy who wanted to learn English. Now repeat after me. Once, there was a young boy who wanted to learn English. He felt shy and afraid of making mistakes. He felt shy and afraid of making mistakes. He felt shy and afraid of making mistakes. Every time he spoke, he worried people would laugh. Every time he spoke, he worried people would laugh. Every time he spoke, he worried people would laugh. Because of this fear, he stayed quiet in class. Because of this fear, he stayed quiet in class. Because of this fear, he stayed quiet in class. One day, his teacher said something important. One day, his teacher said something important. One day, his teacher said something important. Making mistakes means you are learning, she said. Making mistakes means you are learning, she said. Making mistakes means you are learning, she said. Those words stayed in the boy's mind. Those words stayed in the boy's mind. Those words stayed in the boy's mind. The next day, he decided to try again. The next day, he decided to try again. The next day, he decided to try again. He spoke slowly and carefully. He spoke slowly and carefully. He spoke slowly and carefully. His sentence was not perfect, but he tried. His sentence was not perfect, but he tried. His sentence was not perfect, but he tried. Some classmates smiled and encouraged him. Some classmates smiled and encouraged him. Some classmates smiled and encouraged him. The boy started to feel more confident. The boy started to feel more confident. The boy started to feel more confident. Every day he practiced listening and speaking. Every day he practiced listening and speaking. Every day he practiced listening and speaking. He listened to English songs and short stories. He listened to English songs and short stories. He listened to English songs and short stories. Little by little, his English improved. Little by little, his English improved. Little by little, his English improved. He still made mistakes, but he did not give up. He still made mistakes, but he did not give up. He still made mistakes, but he did not give up. Instead, he learned from each mistake. Instead, he learned from each mistake. Instead, he learned from each mistake. After a few months, he could speak more clearly. After a few months, he could speak more clearly. After a few months, he could speak more clearly. People began to understand him better. People began to understand him better. People began to understand him better. The boy realized something important. The boy realized something important. The boy realized something important. Confidence grows when you keep trying. Confidence grows when you keep trying. Confidence grows when you keep trying. Fear becomes smaller with practice. Fear becomes smaller with practice. Fear becomes smaller with practice. Learning English takes time and patience. Learning English takes time and patience. Learning English takes time and patience. But every small step is progress. But every small step is progress. But every small step is progress. And one day, you will be proud of yourself. And one day, you will be proud of yourself. And one day, you will be proud of yourself. Great job! If you understood this story, like the video, subscribe for more English listening stories, and comment, "I can do it." See you in the next lesson.
Welcome to English Listening Lab, your channel to test, practice, and improve your listening skill.